Hello, Python enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting project for you. Today, we're diving into the world of document conversion, exploring the art of transforming your Word documents into PDF files and vice versa. Whether you're streamlining your workflow or ensuring compatibility across platforms, mastering these conversion techniques is essential. I'm your host, Sharjeel, and let's embark on this conversion journey together. Let's understand the importance of Word to PDF conversion. PDF, portable document format, offers unmatched compatibility and security, making it the preferred format for sharing and archiving documents. Join us as we explore the various methods and tools available for seamless conversion. Ready to convert your Word documents into PDF files? We've got you covered. From built-in Microsoft Word features to online converters and dedicated software, we'll walk you through the most efficient methods and tools for converting your documents hassle-free. Let's start. Here is the file use for PDF to Word. Let's upload. This command uses the pip package manager to install two Python packages, PythonDocs and FBDF. PythonDocs is a library for creating and manipulating Microsoft Word .docs files in Python. FBDF is a library for generating PDF files in Python. This command installs the PDF2docs package using pip. PDF2docs is a Python library that converts PDF files to Microsoft Word .docs format. Here is the document convert into Word. This command installs two Python packages, PythonDocs and ReportLab. PythonDocs is the same library mentioned earlier for working with Microsoft Word files. ReportLab is a library for generating PDF documents in Python. These installation commands ensure that the necessary Python libraries are installed in your environment to work with Microsoft Word .docs files, PDF files, and to convert between them. Once installed, you can import these libraries into your Python scripts and use their functionalities for document manipulation and conversion. Let's run and wait for the installation. This line imports the document class from the docs module. The docs module is part of the PythonDocs library and is used for creating, reading, and modifying Microsoft Word .docs files in Python. This line imports the letter constant from the ReportLab.lib pagesizes module. The letter constant represents the standard letter-sized page dimensions, 8.5 by 11 inches, used in North America. This line imports the canvas class from the ReportLab.python module. The ReportLab.python module is part of the ReportLab library, which is used for generating PDF documents in Python. The Canvas class provides a way to create and draw on PDF pages programmatically. This line imports the Converter class from the PDF2docs module. The PDF2docs module is a Python library that allows for converting PDF files to Microsoft Word .docs format. These import statements enable you to access the functionality provided by the respective modules and classes for working with Microsoft Word documents, generating PDF files, and converting between PDF and Word formats in Python. This function PDF_Word takes two parameters. PDF_path, the path to the input PDF file that you want to convert to Word format. Output_path, the path to the output Word .docs file where the converted document will be saved. This line initializes a converter object from the PDF2docs library, passing the PDF_path as the input PDF file to be converted. This line calls the convert method of the converter object to convert the input PDF file to Word format. The converted Word document is saved at the specified output path. This line closes the converter object, freeing up system resources after the conversion process is complete. Finally, the function is called with the input PDF file path, input_PDF, and the output Word file path, output_Word, triggering the conversion process. This function convert_PDF takes two parameters. Docs_path, the path to the input Word .docs file that you want to convert to PDF format. PDF_path, the path to the output PDF file where the converted document will be saved. This line loads the Word document specified by docs_path using the document class from the docs module. This line initializes a PDF canvas using the canvas class from the reportlab.pfgen module. The page size parameter is set to letter, specifying the standard letter-sized page dimensions, 8.5 by 11 inches. This line sets the font to Helvetica, with a font size of 12 points for the PDF content. This loop iterates over each paragraph in the Word document, doc, and adds its text content to the PDF canvas. The drawstring method is used to write text at a specified position, 50 units from the left margin and Y units from the top margin. The value of Y is decrement by 15 after writing each paragraph to move to the next line. This line saves the PDF file using the save method of the PDF canvas. Finally, the function is called with the input Word file path, input_Word, and the output PDF file path, output_PDF, triggering the conversion process. Let's run, and here you see the generated Word file. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more productivity tips and tutorials.